It's purple and black. I've finally done a split dye that I've been wanting to do for a long time. And in honor of that, I'm gonna do a purple eyeshadow look today. First, I'm gonna go into the Glamlite Ice Cream palette. And I'm gonna go into this shade called Honey Lavender with this Morphe M518, a really fluffy brush. Now that I've done kind of a oval shape with the honey lavender color, I'm gonna go in with a darker shade. This is the BPerfect Cosmetics Carnival 3 palette, the Love Tahiti edition. And I'm gonna go in with the shade called Tahiti, this pretty purple right here. And I'm just gonna drop that right below this honey lavender. Now that that beautiful shade is on, this is looking really pretty. Nice, beautiful ombre. I'm gonna go in with another purple shade from the same palette. I'm gonna go in with this shade called Blackberry. Very, very dark purple. I'm gonna carefully blend it together with this Tahiti shade. I'm going to be using this Morphe E36. Got this beautiful purple going on, and I'm going to now add in some black. Ignore this smudge on my nose. I got some purple on it and I had to rub it off. And fun fact about purple makeup is that it stains very easily. So after this look is done, I'm fully expecting to have bright stained eyelids for the rest of the week. Next, I'm going to use a very fluffy M152 packing brush and the same palette with the shade Black Beach, the black shade. I'm gonna tap that all over my lid. This is so cool. And it bothers me so much that they're not even. So I will be scrubbing through them, making them even. Okay, it's gonna be as good as it's gonna get before I just completely lose my mind stressing about it. So now I'm gonna do my face. Okay, my face is all done. Gave myself a little extra blush on the nose just for something different. Now I'm going to finish the eyes. I'm gonna do this JD Glow Cosmetics pastel purple liner right around the edge of that black for a little extra definition. Okay, I'm really happy with the way it turned out. This one's a little bit bigger than this one, and I'm only noticing that because it's my OCD, but I'm still very happy. So I will move on. I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dark Side Waterproof Gel Liner on my lower lash line. And now I'll put on some mascara. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. Always been a favorite of mine. Perfect. Now I'm going to put on some highlighter. Highlighter is done. That purple looks so good. Now I'm gonna put on this Lime Crime Lip Blaze in the shade Ivy. It's not really a lipstick, and it's not really a gloss. It's like both in one. I love the way it smells. Now just for some lashes, and then this look will be done. Wow. Well, this is the finished look. I'm super happy with the way it turned out, actually. I decided at the last minute to change up my lip. I wanted to do an ombre thing, but I didn't know what colors I wanted, and I don't have purple lipstick. So I did a gray, a black to gray. I used the Fenty Beauty Uninvited Stunna Lip Paint and the Huda Beauty Liquid Matte in the shade called Silver Fox. And I just blended them together. I had a really fun time doing this look. Please let me know what you think down in the comments below. Let me know what I should do next. And stay blazed.